Hello Virgo, how are you? Now this is your reading for the week of 10 to 16th, career, business and money. So this is based on your sun, moon and Venus rising. You could check those signs as well. It could resonate with you. Let's see Virgo, what's there for this week. So Ace of Rods and 10 of Pentacles in or 3 of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Rods and 3 of Pentacles in reverse. So some new project you are trying. Maybe there is a new business or a new job, which you want to take, but or a new idea. But I feel there are some conflicts going on. You are not getting the support that you were looking. Even if it's from the family, there could be money issues, or from your subordinates or business partner. So it feels that there is a new idea which you want to take it forward, and at present maybe more skill is required, more research is required, more information is required. You need to be more skillful to take this idea ahead. This is also, I feel, for you quality, you need quality interactions and quality information regarding this new project. Only then it's gonna be successful. This is what I get with this 3 of Pentacles in reverse. So you need to work hard more, get more information, enhance your skill, and then you can take this idea up, Virgo. It will definitely grow then. So let's see what else. So stuck and oh great. So some Virgos, you were in a stuck position. I do remember your readings. You were in a stuck money situation. You were stuck in a very, very sad and sorrowful state last few weeks, last 2 weeks that I remember. I remember your readings. You did not know what to do, how to move on, and maybe with money situation it was a difficult situation. But here you get the Sun card, the most beautiful card of the deck. So it's talking about holistic growth, overall growth. It talks about expansions. It talks about new influences in life, new dreams. You're pursuing new dreams and visions, new and old associates. You are cementing that foundation with this. So you are coming out of this stuck and very clingy situation and moving on to the Sun card. I mean, there will be a lot of growth, business growth, money growth. What you did not see, you went through a little difficult period, and now you're coming out of that into the Sun. There will be warmth in interactions. Your family will be supportive. You will have love and care, all that you are looking, with your people around you. And you are coming out of a very stuck situation. This is with 4 of Pentacles card. Definitely money is also improving for some of you here with the Sun card. Growth, abundance, prosperity, travel. Yes, I see travel for some of you here. It's regarding your business and job here, and the travel is going to be fruitful for you here. Also, there could be a birth of a child in some homes where or of news of a pregnancy. So this is also big news to share. So I just put in, that's why this is a big achievement if somebody really looking to. But definitely much with the Sun card coming, you're coming out of weeks of painful and stuck state here, Virgos. Now let's see what else, Virgo. Okay, so here 6 of Swords with the Moon card in reverse. This Moon card in reverse is showing that if you are moving away to the calmer waters, this is what they're moving forward, but still there will be some delays for some of you here. A Moon card upright position is really stressful, but this is in down position. It's not an upright position. So some of you who are wanting to travel from a difficult situation, it's just talking about some delays here. It could be delayed by a week, or it could come next month. This is what I get, Virgos, for you here. It is travel related to your business, job situation, joining a new job, or for a money situation. This is what I feel. Let's see one more. And Okay, so Eight of Pentacles to Death and the Death card. So I know Virgos, you have been really working hard all your life. Usually Virgos are the most hardworking sign that I personally also know. So you are taking a break from this. This is what I feel with the Death card. For a time being, you are just taking a break away from this, very heavy routines that you have been following with work, deadlines. Proving results, maintaining balance, or taking care of, and you are moving a little, taking a step back, transforming to a slightly easier lifestyle. I mean, slightly easier schedule. Maybe you want more time for for your family, for your people around you, for your own self-love. So it's a card of transformation here. Some of you just taking a step back from that heavy routine duty and going for a slightly easier cycle. Also for some of you, it could be that you need to take a break. That could also be, you need to take a break, otherwise you're going to fall sick, otherwise there will be difficulties coming to you, a health issue coming to you. So this is what I feel with some of you are already taking, and some of you need to take, Virgo. So take this suggestion carefully. This is what I feel. Work on your holistic growth, definitely I see old and new associations coming together, collaborations. I see, there will be party ceremonies with the Sun card, but you need to take a step back from this slightly hard working cycle, and you are towards your transformation, overall holistic transformation, Virgo. So this is it, Virgo. Let's see what the angel guidance card has for advice for you, so that you can smooth sail the week. Okay, celebration. Let go and let go and have fun. So see, I told you, this is with the Death card. You need to just let go whatever difficult period that you have gone, Virgo. This is what I see with this card. Celebrate life, celebrate with family, celebrate with friends, celebrate whatever money situation, whatever little happiness is coming your way, celebrate it and go with the flow. So now you don't need to worry, the angels guiding you for celebration, and do remember me in your celebrations. Thank you so much for taking your time out and watching this video. A big thank you and lots of love to all my viewers and subscribers. Please like and the video if you like my readings. Subscribe to my channel, and this is it. Thank you. Take care.